Using Google Sheets is a fantastic way to see where you are spending your time. So what I'm going to show you is how to merge and unmerge cells. So in this section here, you can see this is all blocked together to make it look visually appealing. Then you can change that at any time to suit your day. So I'm going to show you exactly how to unmerge this, which is up here. This here will actually unmerge those cells. So now we have time blocks of 15 minutes, so you can pop in anything that you like. When you want to merge the cells together to make that whole section relevant to what you're doing, so let's pop in salon clients. Always make sure that up here this is set to the middle of the section, and also making sure that this is in alignment here. And now we're going to select the cells that we want to merge. So we're going to select this whole section, and now we're going to go over to the merge button and click merge, and now you'll see it's merged. So it just makes it visually more appealing and it makes it less messy to view. So I'm going to select this section again, and I'm going to go up here and merge those cells. You can change those colors at any stage. You just select that section and change the color according to what suits you and what you'd like to use. So I hope that helps you achieve your goals and make everything super clear for you, so you know exactly what you do when you come into your beauty room. You're sitting here and you're ready to take action on those things that you need to do.